Let's embark on a journey where fun never ends, each with its own magic. Let's take a peek. Sunday, oh Sunday, the week's golden start, a day for rest and joy in the heart. The sun shines brighter, the world feels calm, with family and laughter, it's a soothing balm. Then comes Monday, let's shout, hooray! Time to learn and work, it's a brand new day, books in hand, we're eager to know, with dreams as seeds, we watch them grow. Oh, Tuesday, you bring us delight, with tasks to conquer and goals in sight, a little more effort, a little more cheer, each step we take, success grows near. Midweek's here, it's lively Wednesday, the time to laugh and run and play, jump and skip, let's twirl around, in every giggle, joy is found. Hello, Thursday, so busy and bright, we're learning, exploring, reaching new heights, helping at home or reading a book, every small task deserves a look. Friday arrives with a happy tune, weekend whispers, see you soon. Let's sing and dance, let's end with flair, a day of joy beyond compare. Saturday, the week's grand finale, adventure calls in every valley, bike rides, hikes, or movies to see, Saturday's magic is wild and free. 7 days, each one a treasure, with moments to cherish and joys to measure. Now you know the week's cheerful rhyme, let's make each day a special time. Thank you for watching.